Mr. Wommel, hardly any technological innovation is so intensely discussed as 3D printing. How will it affect the supply chains of the future?
The exact effects are always hard to forecast, but the expectations and the potentials are manifold. So in our opinion, 3D printing could digitalize parts of the supply chains as we know it for today. For example, by allowing to move from a physical warehouse to a digital warehouse, as well as producing parts on demand and on location if the production capability is at these locations available worldwide.
And why should supply chain managers now deal with this issue?
Because of the mentioned potential of digitalization of the supply chain or of parts of it, this, in our opinion, will require some new structures, especially in the field of safe data transfer modes, as well as the potential to develop new business models for these supply chain companies, for example, by offering 3D printing services at their locations worldwide.
What should they do specifically in practice?
In my opinion, I think it would be wise to follow the development of these technologies. There are many different technologies under the name of 3D printing and see how they evolve in the coming years and how fast especially the industry adapts to these technologies. And this adaptation will bring new requirements also for the supply chain with it and then reflect these requirements back on the services these companies offer.
Mr. Wommel, thank you very much.
You're very welcome. Thank you.